In Malaysia, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food.
Okay.
In Malaysia,
So far lah, what you
so
eat?
far, but for me, the food here is so delicious, lah. But my favorite is nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Their draft, because their draft is so unpredictable. Because we're having a hard time during the drafting pace. RQ and SRG.
Yes.
I think the difference is aggressiveness, because knowing SRG, they are so aggressive in the game. When they got the first turtle and they got and uh, us can got wipe out, they already win. Like they can punish it. Like they can win the game if they get there early. But in RRQ, I think they're lacking from aggressiveness, especially in early game. I think we need to improve, especially me. I think I need to improve more on speaking Bahasa Malaysia and also communicating with them. And I think we need to still polish our lapses and mistake. We still have many things to improve. Game one, I want to adjust. I think I can do more on game one. I think I can get many more heroes in game one. And in game two, I think I can be more aggressive. Thank you so much, guys, for Bigot Rovers. Thank you so much for welcoming me here in Malaysia and to your community. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting us, and thank you for keep supporting us. And for my fans in Philippines, thank you so much, guys, for still supporting me. Thank you so much, guys. I hope we can join in playoffs so we can see each other there.